Lendlease this morning reported its full-year profit had fallen. It's reported a statutory loss of $310 million in the financial year. That's down from a profit of $467 million last year. COVID-19 impacted some of its property developments, particularly in overseas markets where construction was brought to a standstill for a couple of months. The company said, looking on the positive side, it has a strong development pipeline worth about $113 billion, including a project called the Thamesmead Waterfront in London, which is 11,000 homes, and a partnership with Google in San Francisco Bay Area to develop 3 mixed-use neighbourhoods, which includes residential, commercial, office space and retail. And those 2 projects together are worth $37 billion to Lendlease. And shareholders are going to receive a final dividend of 3.3 cents. Also this morning, BlueScope Steel, its net profit after tax dropped 91% during the financial year to $96.5 million. Despite the drop in profit, it will maintain its final dividend of 8 cents per share, so shareholders should be pretty happy with that. Earnings at its Australian steel business fell 43% due to weaker regional steel prices and higher raw material costs. And earnings at its North Star steel mill, which is in Ohio in the United States, they were down 71% due to American car manufacturers shutting down for 2 months. BlueScope says there's a high level of uncertainty this financial year, and in light of this, it will not offer specific earnings guidance for FY21. And we also had a good result from JB Hi-Fi, the retailer. Statutory profit up 21% to $302.3 million. Sales increased 11.6% to almost $8 billion, and online sales increased by about 50% during the year, and that's for both JB Hi-Fi and The Good Guys. Sales momentum was strong through the year and jumped particularly in March and June, with millions of Australians working from home, and the key categories for growth were communications, computers, visual, audio and small appliances. And JB Hi-Fi is going to pay a final dividend of 90 cents per share, which is up 76% on last year. Danica.